A new contender has entered the action camera arena, the DJI Osmo Action 5, challenging the supremacy of GoPro's Hero series, specifically the Hero 12 Black. But can it dethrone the reigning king? Let's dive into the details and see if the Osmo Action 5 can emerge victorious. Both cameras feature rugged, waterproof designs built to withstand harsh elements. However, the Osmo Action 5 stands out with its squared-off body and dual 1.3-inch touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back. This dual-screen setup offers an advantage for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, allowing intuitive framing from any angle. In contrast, the Hero 12 Black sticks with a traditional rear touchscreen and a smaller front LCD that provides basic information. Under the hood, rumours suggest the Osmo Action 5 is equipped with a robust new processor capable of delivering silky smooth 4K recording at 120 FPS. Additionally, it is anticipated to support 5K recording at 60 FPS, potentially outperforming the Hero 12 Black. Both cameras offer outstanding electronic image stabilization, DJI's Rocksteady and GoPro's Hypersmooth, ensuring stable footage during high-action adventures. While official details are still scarce, leaks hint that the Osmo Action 5 will feature a high-resolution, 12-megapixel, 1x2.3-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning detail and vibrant colors. The Hero 12 Black, on the other hand, boasts a new 1x1.9-inch sensor that excels at capturing footage in both wide and vertical formats, making it perfect for social media content. Independent reviews will ultimately determine how these cameras stack up in real-world photo and video quality. The Osmo Action 5 might hold a significant edge in processing power. Rumours point to a next-generation processor that not only enables smoother high frame rate recording, but also offers faster performance overall. This could mean quicker boot times, more responsive menus, and faster file transfer speeds. While the Hero 12 Black's processor is certainly powerful, the Osmo Action 5 might outpace it in terms of raw processing power. DJI has traditionally positioned its Osmo Action cameras at a slightly lower price point compared to GoPro's Hero flagships. This trend is expected to continue with the Osmo Action 5, priced at $299. If budget is a major concern, the Osmo Action 5 could be a more attractive option, especially if it delivers comparable performance at a lower price. There's no official confirmation on the release date of the Osmo Action 5 yet. However, based on past release cycles, it might launch sometime in 2024. The Hero 12 Black is already available, so if you need an action camera immediately, the Hero 12 Black is the clear choice. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is shaping up to be a serious competitor to the GoPro Hero 12 Black. With its rumoured powerful processor, dual touchscreens, and potentially lower price tag, it offers a compelling value proposition for action camera enthusiasts. However, the Hero 12 Black shouldn't be discounted. Its excellent image quality, proven track record, and wide range of accessories make it a formidable opponent. Ultimately, the best camera for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize dual screens, cutting-edge processing power, and a potentially lower price, the Osmo Action 5 might be the way to go. But if you value established performance, a wider range of accessories, and the latest in sensor technology, the Hero 12 Black remains a solid choice. So that's all about the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 5. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.